Good morning students. Welcome back to your English grammar class. Today we are going to do chapter number 11, articles. So what are articles? The words a, an and the are the articles. What are articles? A, an and the. So tell me, what are vowels? Vowels are a, e, I, o and u. These are vowels. Okay, these alphabets are vowels, and except these alphabets, all the other alphabets are called consonants. Okay, so now where do you use a? We use a with nouns starting with consonants. Now what are consonants? Consonants are alphabets except these alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, H. Okay, so those are consonants. And where do we use N? We use N with nouns starting with the vowel. Okay, what are vowels? These are vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So let us see some examples. This is an apple. This is a doll. Okay, D for doll. So D is a consonant, so we say a doll. Okay, apple starts with A. A is a vowel, so an apple. An elephant. E is a vowel, so we say an elephant. This is a car. A car. Okay, so C for car, and C is a consonant. That is why we say a car. Okay, so let us revise again. We use A with nouns starting with consonants. We use N with nouns starting with a vowel. Now where do we use the? We use the to talk about particular things. Okay, now what are particular things? Here I said an elephant. Okay, so this is, we are just talking about one particular elephant, just one elephant. Now if I say this is an green elephant, no, that would be wrong. This is the green elephant. Okay, I am talking about only this elephant. I am talking about this particular elephant. So this is the green elephant. And if I talk about an elephant in general, it would be an elephant. I saw an elephant in the jungle, but I saw the green elephant in the jungle. So I am talking about a particular green colored elephant. So there we use the. Okay, so we use the to talk about particular things. So one thing has to be noted. You will use A and N when you are talking about a person or a thing for the first time. So when you're saying about a consonant, you will use A, and when you're talking about a vowel, you will use N, but for the first time only. When you are speaking about that noun, again you will use the. Okay, so read here. When we speak about this person or thing, again we use the. So let us read an example and understand how it happens. I am giving you a key. A key. Please give the key to my mom. See, first time you are speaking about a key, so it is a. Okay, you are using a before the consonant word key. Okay, K-E-Y, key, starting with K, it's a consonant, so you are using a. Next time you are talking about that key, you are using the key. Understood? I am giving you a key. Please give the key to my mom. Okay? Though now in which situations, other situations, do we use the? We use the before the names of rivers, oceans, deserts, mountain ranges, famous buildings, newspapers, trains and ships. So let us see some example. The Indian Ocean, so it's name of an ocean, so use the Indian Ocean. The Sahara Desert, name of a desert, so the Sahara Desert. Taj Mahal is a famous building, so the Taj Mahal. Duronto Express is name of a train, so the Duronto Express. Titanic, everybody knows, is name of a ship, so the Titanic. before the names of objects that are the only one of their kind. Okay, only those are only one, there is no other objects like them. So what are only one in this world? Sun. Okay, the sun is only one, so you will say the sun. Moon is also, we only have one moon, so the moon. Sky is also only one which is above us, so the sky. Next, before adjectives in the superlative degree and words like last, first and only. So what is a superlative degree? A superlative degree is the best one. Okay, so there are 3 degrees. So this is the superlative degree which shows the best. Okay, good, better and best. Something is okay and not very good, so you say good. Then which is a thing which is better than that. Okay, so you say better, you can do better. This is good but you can do better. Okay, and things which are very very good, so you say this is the best thing. Okay, so good, better, best. So best is the superlative degree. Okay, for example, she is the best student in the class. Okay, so she must be the best student in the class among so many students. So we use the for saying best student. So best is a superlative degree. This is the only shop in the area. Okay, so there is only one shop in that area, that is why you say the only shop in the area. Next, where you do not use the before names of people, cities and countries. So we do not put the before names of people, before names of countries and before names of cities. Then we do not put the before names of ideas and qualities. Honesty is the best policy is the correct one. The honesty is the best policy is not correct. Okay, honesty is a quality. So you cannot say the honesty is the best policy. You have to say honesty is the best policy. Then before uncountable nouns, you do not put the before uncountable nouns. Milk is an uncountable noun, so you cannot count milk, right? So I do not like the milk is a wrong statement. I do not like milk is a correct statement. Okay, so in the next class I will send you the textbook exercise for this chapter.